in-depth study about what would be the availability of raw material necessary to implement the electrolyzers with the current technology. Now we'll speak in English. Basically, Germany already has the capability to go into mass production of PEM electrolyzers. And they are already presenting these questions to themselves. If our strategy is by 2050 to have this many electrolyzers in the world, where in Earth do we get the titanium, the gold, and the platinum if we were going to reach 2050 with the current electrolyzer technology? And the answer to that question is a bit scary. They have analyzed the availability of the raw material from the perspective of geopolitics, and also basically what countries own what, and what companies in each country own what, right? And it's very challenging to see ourselves by 2050 with the electrolyzers technology, with the current material that we use. So again, going back to you guys, going back to your office on Monday, you can tell that there is a huge opportunity here if we invest some of our know-how materials in order to probably find alternative technologies to separate the water molecule in the electrolyzers.
Thank you, Julio.